Welcome back to Insecurity. We are at RSA 2020 in San Francisco, and because the year 2017 called, I went to get Richard Melick. Formerly with Cylance, but now you are with Automox, where you are a senior technical product manager.
Yep.
Means you got a lot of fingers and a lot of pies.
That is correct.
For the uninitiated, what is Automox?
Automox is a cloud-native endpoint hardening and patch management platform. It's providing the capability to take care of all your patch management and risk mitigation and vulnerability mitigation, all from one single console.
It's a lot of words.
A lot of words.
The ones that I think people might be familiar with are Patch Tuesday.
In the IT space, Patch Tuesday is the big day that you're looking forward to. Well, maybe not looking forward to every single month, but what we want to start challenging everybody to is stop relying on Patch Tuesday. Patch Tuesday no longer matters. We're getting out-of-band patches every single day. Chrome just dropped one last night. What are you doing now to assess your environment and make sure that you are not a big target? We want to challenge that. Use our tool, go in there. You can deploy out that patch anywhere in the world to any endpoint that exists within your network, within your managed environment.
Now, this is really important stuff, but not everybody would think of this as a security play, that this is how we marketing wrangle our way into these things, but that's not really the case.
Traditionally is not a security play. And that's where it gets really interesting, is ultimately, in order for your security products like Cylance, BlackBerry Cylance, in order for it to work smarter, not harder, you have to have a strong foundation. That foundation comes off following basic cyber hygienes, making sure that patches are deployed, making sure that your local password policies are enforced, making sure those basic CIS controls, cyber hygiene controls, are taken care of. By doing that, your EPP is working smarter, not harder. Your endpoint protection platform is working smarter, not harder.
Somewhere out there right now, Kip Boyle is excited because we're talking about cyber hygiene and getting all the digital cooties away from the things you're doing. People that want to know more about you doing, where can they go? What's going on?
Follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Automox app. You can follow us on those major social networks. Come to automox.com, check us out there. We're here, of course, at RSA. We'll be around the world, going around with some of the meetings, everything like that. And that's about it right now.
That's about it. And that's a lot, because if you think about it, what was probably the most important thing that you could have done to stop some of these big breaches in recent years?
Patch your shit.
Exactly. It's really the important stuff that we're looking for. You know, for the rest of it, you can get it at threatvector.cylance.com. We're also at BlackBerry and at Cylance Inc. on Twitter. I am Matt Stephenson. You can find me at PacMatt73. What about you? You're a pretty sociable kind of guy.
Find me Instagram, Twitter, RC Melick and R Melick. Pretty easy to find there.
That's your boy. We'll see you soon.